exercise 15.1, page number 236, question number 1. The following graph show the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. So this is the graph we are having here. We have to answer these questions. So going to start with the first one. The first question we are having, what was the patient temperature at 1 p.m. So check out in the graph that what is the temperature at the 1 p.m. So the temperature we are having is the 36.5 degree Celsius. So I'm going to write here. The patient's temperature at 1 p.m. is 36.5 degree Celsius. So this is the temperature we are having at the 1 p.m. Now comes to the second one. In this one we have asked, when was the patient's temperature 38.5 degree Celsius. Now we have to find out the time, at what time the temperature was 38.5 degree Celsius. So I'm going to write here. The patient's temperature was 38.5 degrees Celsius at 12 noon. So at the 12 noon, the temperature was 38.5 degree Celsius. Now comes to the third one. The third one we are having, the patient's temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. What were these 2 times? So first of all, we have to check what was the temperature, same time and the same temperature. So we have to find this one. So this one we are having is the 1 p.m. and the 2 p.m. The temperature was same. So we are going to write here. The patient's temperature was same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. So this is the answer we are having for the part C. Now comes to the part D, this one. What was the temperature at 1.30, that is the 1:30 p.m. So we have to tell the temperature here. Now the second part, how did you arrive at your answer? So we have to find the timing between the 1 and 2 where we can reach the temperature. So we're going to write here the temperature, the patient's temperature was 36.5 degrees Celsius at 1:30 p.m. Now how did we arrive at our answer? So we're going to write here. We have find this one. The point between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. So the point between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. representing 1:30. Now the temperature between this time was 36.5 degree Celsius. This one is having the flat temperature. From 1 to 2 p.m. the temperature is the flat we are having as the 36.5 degrees Celsius. So we can find it easily. Now comes to the next one, the last one. We are having the part E. During which periods did the patient's temperature show an upward trend? So at what time the temperature got rising? So from 10 p.m. it got rises. So from 9 p.m. the temperature was 35.5. It rises to 36 at the 10 p.m. Then it rises to the 39 at 11 p.m. So the temperature rises from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. that it was showing the downward trend. So I'm going to write here. The patient's temperature shown upward trend from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So this one we are having is the part D. So this one we are having is the part E. With this one we have completed the question number 1. In the next video we are going to start with the question number